Good morning, Houston. Liron with My Garage and Gates. Today I'm gonna show you how to program your car with your garage door. What I'm gonna show you right now, working, I would say 80% for 80% of the cars. When you go into the built-in remote control that you have in the mirror, most of the cars gonna have it in the mirror. You do have 3 buttons. The first step that you wanna do is to erase all the codes that you had prior to that by pressing the first and the third and hold these buttons like that until you see over here this light blink. That means that all the previous codes that you had on the car are completely erased and we're ready to go. I'm choosing which button I want to program. For this case, I'm gonna program number 1. What I need to do is to press a single tap on that button. We're gonna start seeing that it's blinking. I'm taking my programmed remote control and I'm pressing on the garage that I want to program. I'm gonna keep holding it until I see the green blinking. That means that this button, it's already programmed. Once this is done, I'm ready to test the garage. I pressed 1 time. As you see, the garage door is opening. And now the garage door is starting close. For more tips, you know how to find us.